Setting up a new phone or tablet can be a hassle, especially when you need to find a saved Wi-Fi password. In this video, we'll show you 5 simple methods to view your saved Wi-Fi password on Android. Part 1. View a saved Wi-Fi password on Android 10 or newer Samsung. Go to Settings, Wi-Fi or Internet. Select the active network or saved networks. Tap Share under the network name. Verify your identity, and the password will appear below the QR code. Part 2. See saved Wi-Fi password on Android 10 or newer non-Samsung. Go to Settings, Connections, Wi-Fi. Tap the gear icon and select QR code. Share via Quick Share or save the image to view the password. In Google Photos, use Lens to scan the image for the password. Part 3. See saved passwords on Android 6 to Android 9 non-rooted. Open Google Lens or tap the Lens icon in the Google app. Select an image or use the camera to scan the QR code. Adjust the crop if needed and view the plain text password. Part 4. See Wi-Fi details on Android 4.4 to Android 9 rooted. Ensure root access, for example, Magisk. Install Wi-Fi Password Viewer from the Play Store. Grant root access, and the app will show saved Wi-Fi networks and passwords. Tap to copy or share. Part 5. Check saved Wi-Fi password on Android via Router Settings General. Go to Wi-Fi Settings. Find the IP address. Enter it in your browser. Log in with admin and view the Wi-Fi password under the network name. Part 6. See a saved Wi-Fi password on Android using a trusted app. No limits. Google Backup may store your password. If other methods fail, recover it without resetting your phone. Android DataBack can restore backups and recover deleted data. How to check the saved Wi-Fi password on Android using Android DataBack. Step 1. Start by installing and opening the Android DataBack. On the main screen, select the option titled Recover Data from Google Drive. Step 2. Log into your Google account by clicking on Sign In. Ensure that your login details are correct, as this process is completely secure. Step 3. After logging in, the program will show a list of all types of data that can be recovered. Choose Wi-Fi and then click Next in the lower right corner. Step 4. The application will begin scanning the data stored in Google. Please be patient while the scanning process is in progress. Step 5. Once the scan is over, the recovered data will be displayed. Examine the Wi-Fi information to find the specific details. Finally, choose either the Recover to Device or Recover to PC option. According to your preference,